like raining like pretty hard, and we are having a storm right now. There's my cousin Landon. He's eating chocolate spread. And then my brother, there's my brother right there. There's my brother right there. He has his new gun. And then you just can't see that it's raining pretty hard because it's like really light out here. So you can't see it. And that building over there is my school. It's called Oakley Elementary.
What do you think? You can only see the pole.
You're funny, Landon. Now you can see it. Well, it's like
You can only see a trash can.
it's over there, where that white car is, right there. Then where that blue dumpster is. And we are on a tornado watch. I can't believe it. This is the second time we had a tornado. This is like the second time we had a tornado watch. Okay. Comment, and my cousin Landon's making a ghost noise right now. And then there's a car. Comment down below if you agree, if you like this storm. Bye.